Them just arrest one man because this man beat his wife because of the punani. Most hey, I don't even know I want to explain this thing. This man asked his wife for sex. The wife can't say no. Because of that, Oga convex. Mora con high. Oga carry this woman start to the beat. And I see what he conjured on the cause. Hey, this man he didn't even get joy. This man beat his wife, so this woman die. And as you gather this story, they talk say this man call his wife, say her name's with him. Come inside my room, come sleep. The woman say no, she no go sleep for there. I don't know wetin cause argument. The woman come carry in thing say she no go sleep there that night. Say she go now wetin the man talk oh. Say she come carry her clothes say she no go sleep there for that night. Say as she dey run now there she come go fall down. No be as she use her head go knock gbas. Now there be sickness can't even happen. Now be something happen. But make no bless her they lie. Make na say use na ear. Hear wetin the man and the people talk.
What brought me here is between me and my wife that dies. One night, Saturday evening, around after 10 in the night, I asked her to come and sleep in my room. Then she now said no, that she will not sleep in this house today at all. She take one of her shirts and she opened the other door and run out of his room. So as she was running, she fell down. So immediately we rushed her to hospital. After some days, she died. She has been with me for 20 years now. She have 2 kids for me, 2 boys. One 19, one 12.
The Edo State Police Command, through its Erotubu division, received a complaint from one Miss Lovett, 33 years, that her mother was beaten by her husband, which led them to an hospital. But before they find the particular hospital took her on admission, 3 other hospitals rejected her because of the beating she received from the husband.
See wetin fuck don't cause. Ordinary this thing wey be say you go do, no go even last 3 minutes because this man dey even old. Because of that one now, you go kill him wife. Because of conji, you go give yourself 25 years imprisonment. And even as I want to talk, all of now watch this video abi. On I hear when they talk say this man, he don't even beat this woman since. No be something they just they do some women self. They go they beat you all in endurance. You go they stay there. Say this man don't they beat this woman, no be today. Say even as he beat and finish, when they say the condition are there, they can't carry this woman, go hospital. First hospital, they say, this one too serious, they no fit collect. Second one, no. Third one, no. I beg, make you can't even enter all these hospital people. I beg, wetin they worry on. Person go they sick, critical condition. Carry them go hospital, they go tell say they know they accept. I beg, wetin na they reject these people for? So on a hospital bed, no there, I be now waiting, I be doctor don't disappear, I be waiting and where won't talk. Because all these things, now they cause death. And if na no say na no get hospital, make na even stop to dey call am hospital. If na no say na only typhoid and malaria na sabi cure, make na tell us, make we kuku link all these ones to pharmacy, make na turn am to chemist. Make we know the legit hospital wey dey inside Nigeria. No be say na go dey call am hospital. Go there say common cough dey worry, nothing. They no even get medicine to give you. They will make go buy baba blue. Abeg wetin come be the essence say na get hospital? Cause all this kind thing e join. Now as they carry this woman go, the luckily one hospital come collect her. As they treat her, now their police have come do their investigation, and there the woman talk say, now so this man they always beat her because of this thing. Anytime we won't collect this thing, this woman will say no. And this last time when the thing happened, the woman talk say she don't even tire. So she tire and I make her say no. And as she dey follow the man talk, before she go see the man don't go carry ass. Okay, on and on, saying go and break the door, the woman no open the door. I beg, now so this thing they hungry this man. Person wey no get money, but in libido, it dey very high. I no even dey understand for some men. In fact, I no even know behind the thing though. I be you don't go drink one kind shakbe. Now I can they lead you to they do all these kinds because I no even feel reason now. And I see why me sometimes I dey reason say second wife e good. If say this man now, I know say some people go even chop me alive for this one what I talk. But if person get second wife, if your first wife say no, he know they do, he don't close shop. At least you go to the next shop, go buy your market for there. But this one now, everything the woman don't die. This man now prison, he go. So I beg all this matter, I won't even take end. I want to end. If say this woman for just she will just tell the husband, say, okay, oh God, I beg I tire. Make her rest, make her 1 hour time. We go do the thing. She said she dey do gra. Honestly, gra now don't lead to your death. This man go marry second wife if he come out from prison early. Because now him they claim say no be him beat you to death. Say now you fall down by yourself. Now your daughter now I they confess now the man beat him. But I beg who won't believe for this matter? This whole thing I never know as I want to judge him. But my people, they follow me what? I beg go. This idea of second wife, on I like, I know say men they go like them, but women, they don't go agree like. But if na reason and well, you know say that they talk and say to the starve man of sex, no good. He get reason why they talk all down. I sure say all this one join himself now make maybe the man don't even go drink something. He don't dey high, he don't dey on that level. I think I'm going to meet this woman and the woman no can get solution to it. I sure say all this vexation join. Now make a come reason and say the only solution na to beat this woman. And maybe he won't even do it by force, but you know, as God won't take catch and idea, this woman won't come go die. So those of now where they watch, waiting on think about this whole second wife and this the way this man do. He good, I be no good. Make I not forget anything when I get, make I not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make I not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video. Wahala be like Nigeria. Our Nigerian soldiers, they don't go land inside one kind crash. We gotta say that these soldiers, they hear say, okay, Boko Haram, they attack for one kind place. So inside Borno State, Nigeria, then these people gather up, kit up before they go see. They don't begin the rush. This rush not be even about the if you see speed. If you see, then this one they think na fast and furious they act. Speed where then these people carry before we go see motor don't go some assault. If you see this thing, you say go surprise. Inside this Nigeria, now this one say they happen. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
You can see the military going to give reinforcements. Jesus. This is a terrible accident that just occurred.
And I don't say this speed no even dey necessary at all. Nigeria beside the road, people even they manage am. Before you go even pass one pothole, belle don't disturb you 3 times. Now person can raise his at speed. Now you want they carry on top of this road. And now they do gra because me I feel say they know say people they camera them. Now me they come they do gra on top of camera. So that people go say Nigerian soldiers they work oh. But this crash I hope say nobody died because you know so these soldier people person where they drive. People go hang for back. They know they get chair where be say person go even sit down inside the motor. Now hanging. So the way where this motor done some assault, I just they pray. Some people will not come here and say some soldiers don't die. But this driver self na reckless driver. Because say you be army no mean so you carry your DH. You dey drive, you can't go they misbehave for road. When you know say you carry people. And all these our soldiers they make them not even talk. And they go attack after 2 hours. Where Boko Haram don't run. Where they don't go finish that time na Kongara Mora. One con they form or DH. Eyin by eyin, na one go there. Say na one go they fight. And now for Kuku just sit down. Sit down for her because the time when they go, the people don't already come out. So what it can be the need? And I beg my people if na they see. If say na civilian, one kind normal person na drive with this kind speed. The kind slap where this soldier forgive your head go even rotate. But them now they do nobody they complain. They know they even see them say this one where they do even they wrong. But we say if say then these people say drive slow. Go this speed now we go still complain say they're too slow. But this speed is too much I beg. If I want that make na drive with caution because this one way na go they do now. When we say the thing don't go land into crush and no even know what we want to. Because the attack when they even go for set, it don't even finish. I can't even reason and say be like another set up even there here. Maybe they no cause this accident so that they won't go face war. Because now no so all this our Nigerian people they feel they lazy. The army feel they fear for in life. They can't reason and say make we do one kind 4119 so that they no go send those go. But I beg go make na the limit time. Now go fight war. Make na take on our time. Now never reach war ground. Now already they die. Wetin I want come go there go do? Nigeria na just cruise country. My people, I hear this one. I want make I bring am. Make na service na here. Yeah, wetin dey happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. Anything when I like, make na not forget to write am for the comment section. Make na no also forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.